Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting the IO1 initialization failed blue screen error in Windows, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix it. Let's get started. First, you need to access the Windows recovery environment. To do this, turn off your computer using the power button. As soon as it starts booting, turn it off again using the power button. Repeat this process 3 times. On the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, Windows will automatically take you to the recovery screen saying your PC did not start correctly. From here, click Advanced Options. Now, click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. If you don't see Command Prompt in the list, click See More Recovery Options, and it should appear there. When Command Prompt opens, type the following command and press Enter bcdedit /set useplatformclock true. Next, type the following command and press Enter sfc/scan now. This will scan and repair corrupted system files. Wait for the scan to finish. Once the scan is complete, close Command Prompt. Click Continue to Windows. Your system should now boot normally,